Naturale is a company based in Trentino, a region located in the northern part of Italy, and more specifically in the wonderful Fiemme Valley, recognized as the Valley of Harmony, situated at 1,000 meters above sea level. We are an herbal laboratory that produces food supplements and cosmetics, using mainly beehive products in combination with phytoextracts and essential oils. We also have a laboratory of research and development with cutting-edge production. Our lab offers a variety of natural and organic products for many kinds of businesses, along with different types of services. More specifically, we offer private label production for exclusive customer formulations. White label production, for which customers can create their own brand using our certified formulas. Third-party manufacturing using customers' raw materials, such as propolis, honey, herbal extracts, and others. We also offer our own brands for export distributions and to B2B businesses in Italy and worldwide, mostly to pharmacies, parapharmacies, herbalists, gyms, and mass market businesses. All our lines, organic, holistic, and natural, are produced in the Fiemme Valley in the Alps. Our herbal laboratory stems from our passion for nature. The importance that the bee has for us and for the environment in which we live in, it represents a starting point of our company philosophy, which is reflected as well in our eco-certified and eco-sustainable production.